Okay, so we've had a look at the sedum at Harrowden's Turf Nursery in Norfolk, the only one that grows it in the UK. Fields of it, looks absolutely wonderful. Sedum is a living air conditioner. It does help to reduce water runoff from a roof, but it does need looking after once or twice a year. Bit of feed. If it starts to go back in the winter time, give it some feed in the spring. And that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to be using this product here. That's Enviromat Green Roof Feed. Take care of the instructions and sprinkle it on. It will cover about 25 square metres. So this one is just a little bird table, but it gives you an idea of what it's like. I'll get the lid off. Moving on. That's it. Obviously if you put too much on, that will burn it. It's granular feed, and what we want now is a little bit of light water to water that feed in, so the nutrients can be taken up by the plant. We'll see how this little bird table is taken on as the year goes on. Thank you for watching.